Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 1. So the instruction is study the map of Niti district and use it to answer questions 1 to 10. So this is the map given to us of Niti district, and this is question 1. What is the contour interval of the map? A. 50 meters, B. 100 meters, C. 150 meters, D. 400 meters. So we are looking at the contour interval, and when looking at the contour intervals, we consider the contour lines. Now the contour lines basically are lines on the map that are used to represent distance above sea level. So the contour map basically are these ridge-like lines on the map. These ridge-like lines on the map are the contour lines, and they represent distance above sea level. So on each contour line you can see numbers, or there are numbers present. So on this one you have 1000 representing 1000 meters above sea level. On the next one you have 900 representing 900 meters above sea level. Progressively on this you have 500, and this you have 400. So the contour interval is the distance, or the distance between two contour lines, the interval between two contour lines, and it's basically gotten from subtracting the one above from the one below. So in this instance you have 1900. So in order to get the contour interval, you can say 1000 minus 900, and that is 100 meters. So that is the contour interval of this map, and that is option B. So option B, 100 meters, is the contour interval of this map. So thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.